Speed is the key.
Got it!
Oh, watch it, watch it.
I've caught a fish now!
Oh, man. Oh, here's a good size. Keep reeling. It's hectic. All right, come on board. Life jacket's on. Hey, that's it. Welcome back to Fish Tucker, man. We are going for fish tucker. Woo. Out in the river today again. Look at Tailor today. Got the lure out here. I'll show you it later on. And just basically time babysitting my nephew. Family's first. I had a trip line out in the ocean. I said, no, cancel that. You're lucky, Anthony. High five. High five, make a smack. Ah, fish tucker. Anthony, Ron.
Oh my god, it's hard.
Is it good fish?
Yes.
All right. Now the trick with fish, oh, yeah, okay. Keep going. When they jump out, they came off. That's all right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, there's a lot of fish behind, underneath us, on the sounder.
Then just drop your rod right here.
Now I want you to hold on to that. I'm just going to quickly move. There's a bit of a shallow bank. Get ready, because you're going to get hit. I told you this place is good. See the birds hanging around here?
Yeah.
Oh, the bird is up there. Just get ready.
Few fish under our boat now.
So we're just trialling over that same place with that fish. I'm actually going to trial at 3 knots.
Oh, I got one!
Got one? Okay. Remember, use your rod, pump him slowly. Right, pump him slowly, and you don't want him to jump out of the water, that's how we lose him.
Yeah, he's on.
Is he on? Well done, kid. Okay, that's it. Oh, he's a good size. Now I want you to walk backwards a little bit. And then slowly, fish, pick it up here. Good job. Good job.
First fish of the first day.
That's right, first fish of the day. Now, I don't think he was his size. There you go, Anthony. He's too small, let's throw him back. Let's push him in the water. Thanks, mate.
Thanks.
There you go. Small fish. We don't want the small fish.
We want the big one.
We want the bigger ones. We may have to move. We'll try again.
I hate scales on me.
You hate scales, alright.
They're so annoying, and when they dry, they feel so...
Yeah. Here we go.
Stop.
Hold on to it.
Yeah.
Sit back. Put the rod over there, Anthony. Yeah, it's on my way. It should be fine. Stand back. Still on?
Yes. Still on.
Okay, remember to use your rod, pump him up, and then wind. Pump and wind.
I think he bombed.
No, he's still there, I can see him. I just want you to stand back a bit. All right, bring him closer to me. Ready? Oh, yeah, good size. Good job. That's your second Tailor.
Yeah, the first good size of the day.
Yeah, I don't know if his size though. We'll quickly measure him up. Check that out, guys. Looks all right, maybe. Now, where's my pliers?
Oh.
I was just playing with him before. Alrighty. Okay.
Yeah.
Put that overboard. Measure him up. Alrighty, he's just on size.
Oh.
First Tailor for the day. Hey?
Put him back in the bucket.
Yeah, we'll put him in the bucket of water. So he just made the grade, took a while, and we're just speeding up too. So I think that's what we need to do is to speed up. So I think speed is the key. Go back into your position. It's hectic. One fish on. We've got one in the bag, he's just on the 30. In the meantime, I've got the bigger lure here, the Hauco. See if that convinces a few of the biggest specimens to hook up. Am I on already? I'm on already, Anthony. I'm on already. I think. Oh, what happened there? Oh no, my lure's all stuffed up.
This is a big one. Serious?
All right, to pump your rod.
I'll pick it.
Still on? Oh, I can see him. There he is, right there. Yeah, bring him around this way. Oh, another smallie. So, ah, shit. Yep. Shit. Can you cut the line? Cut the line, yeah. Yes. So I managed to cut the barb around. Now that there's nothing there, I'll be able to feed this through. There you go. Whew! What a challenge. Righto, so that's a pit stop. So just lucky I had those pliers on board. Right, Anthony, you know the deal. Put this behind you. There. Right, you have a holiday while I get back into the fishing. Come on, we've got to hit the honey hole. We've got to find the honey hole.
What's the honey hole?
It's like big packs of fish. Oh, oh. Come on. Could be a good sized one, I think. It's the fish we're looking for. Oh, there's a lot of splashes. What do you reckon? I think it's a good size. Yeah. Just taking it easy. Just stand back a bit, Anthony. Just stand back a bit. He's a good size. Oh yeah. That's what we're talking about. Woo! Thank you. Just quickly, yeah, baby. Bit of redemption. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
Good size?
Good size.
Alrighty. I don't need to measure him up. This one here is 34
Real?
for real. Awesome fish tucker. Alrighty, let's bleed him. I'm still on the troll.
Let's try the honey hole.
Yep, we're just talking about honey holes. Put them in the water. And thanks, Anthony, for your camera work.
Okay.
Let's see if you can get it hooked up.
Hooked up?
Hooked up, yeah.
Sure.
Awesome. Fine one. That's a good size, that one.
What does it look like?
Nothing's still empty. It's like deep, 6 metres. Yeah, so that fish took me about an hour and a half, didn't it? After that commotion of the hook.
I caught a fish now.
Oh man!
Really?
Oh, it's a good size. Been on this side. Walk backwards, walk backwards. Okay.
Cool one when I was rolling up.
Oh, he's off. You beauty.
I caught it by accident.
No, you didn't. That's skill. I saw a few other fish here too. So there you go. This way, Anthony, behind the boat.
Okay.
Good job. There's a bird over there. Yeah, just watch out for the camera. Oh, here's a good size. Keep reeling. Oh, watch it, watch it. Jump, yep, yep. Stop reeling, stop reeling. Good job.
That's a big size.
Yeah. Just open up the bail arm, Anthony. Give me some line. The bail arm. The reel. Open up the bail arm.
This?
Yep. Quick, 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 quick. There we go. Put that over on the side of the water.
Okay.
Hang on, hang on, hang on, hang on. Alrighty, let's measure this guy up. Yeah, he's nice. 32 centimetre. There you go, Anthony.
Is he big?
He's a good size, yep. He's good some fish tucker. Alright, quick, come on, chuck it in the water.
Okay.
Here, quickly, that went over my line. For fuck's sake. Righto, so I got the camera on again. This time I made a longer leader and using the other lure that's actually catching the fish today. Splash.
Oh, I pulled one.
You got one?
Yes.
Okay, Anthony's on.
On again. Keep getting on.
I better just leave mine here.
Watch out, I caught a big fish. Oh, this feels big.
Okay, stop reeling, stop reeling. Just slowly walk backwards, walk backwards. Good size. Good fish, Tucker. Now put him over here. Put him right down, I'm just going to keep moving. So that means hopefully that camera will grab a fish, who knows. They're right in the zone. There you go, Anthony, just in case.
That looks right near that.
Just keep an eye out for that rod. Instead of slow down because that camera's not quite in the water. Awesome. It came off easily. I just leave it over there. Now we're in a really shallow water bit now, so that's not good. 2 metres. So we just got to try and get out of this area. Yeah, it's really shallow. Oh shit. Yeah, I can see the bottom. We've got 5 tailor. You have a good time, Anthony?
Yeah.
So there you go, babysitting for Anthony, my nephew. Caught a couple of tailor. He had a good time. I had a good time too. We're going to go home for a cook-up.
Fish tucker man, he's got.
Oh,
And I missed it.
what the hell? It's only a hat.
Got it.
Awesome. Fish tucker man. Alrighty, we're home for the cook-up. Put this fish in ice in the fridge. Still the same day, you can just tell they're magnificently fresh. And because I've got my nephew over, he loves fish and chips. That's what we're going to do. And it's really good that we get to use the fresh fish to do that kind of recipe. There we go. There's no better way to enjoy fresh fish with your family, especially the way they like to eat it. If one's fish and chips, he's going to have fish and chips. So I'm just going to fill up these beautiful tailors. I'm just going to show you the one. Alright. Get rid of the rib cage. And that's it. Might be one more bone there, but you get the deal. I'll be doing all this and cook them up nice and fresh. So let's go for the batter mix. We've got self-raising flour, some beer, VB. Make a little well. And just stir until you get a good consistency. If you want it thick, you just have like less beer. If you want more, thinner, which I think I will do, have a lighter one, put more beer in. Don't forget your salt and a bit of pepper and a bit of a trick, nice oregano. Give it another whisk up. So that's quite thick, that batter. Probably another 5-10 mils. Always salt your fillets. My nephew. So he's got the nice fish. Put him in the flour. Put him in the batter. And this is a lighter batter. It's actually pretty good. And hopefully, oh yeah, the oil is definitely ready. Right. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good. That looks really good. Yummo. Fish out these suckers, they just look fantastic. Look at that. Go for the next batch. There we go. Fantastic. Right, Nancy, so you caught them all, what do you reckon? Good tucker?
Yeah, you caught one.
Thanks. That looks awesome.
Yeah, this even tastes awesome.
See you next time.
Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Awesome. There's a moth.
What the hell?
Fish, tucker, fish, tucker, fish, tucker, man. Fish, tucker, the fish, tucker, man.